Hello. In this short video, I will introduce what are the physical devices. These are the devices that execute graphical commands. These devices can be separate components on the motherboard. They can be small integrated chips or they can be inside the CPU. In this course, we will care about devices which have Vulkan support. Vulkan is only a few years old, and older devices might not have drivers that implement Vulkan. Since we are also rendering to a screen, our devices need to also have something called presentation support. A system, for example, might have a GPU and a CPU that both support Vulkan. If the monitor is connected to the GPU, then it will make sense to use the GPU for presenting to the screen. Vulkan gives you a choice though, since your goal might be just to render image files and not use the monitor at all. Then it might be perfectly fine to use the CPU graphics.